countries are fighting today, like on the basis of nationalities, on the basis of race, the basis of color, on the basis of religion, just for resources, mineral resources, water resources, other reserves, gold reserves, oil reserves. They're fighting over this from one human country to another human country, and they're using weapons of mass destruction, and they're killing numerous women and children and other humans just to earn that piece of land, just to get access to that reserves, which is given to all of us by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, priceless. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not charge us any money for this oil or gold or minerals. He has given it to us for free. All these trade routes for sea and ocean, He has given it to us for free. Human being never created them. Human beings just exploit them. But we are getting tricked by devil that we need to get more and more reserves, and other people should have it, so we will snatch from them. But in actuality, if you realize, you can just buy it from them. You can just utilize it from them. You can make a contract that you can give them something else and you can buy that from them. You don't have to fight over it. There could be love and tranquility among the relations between the countries too. You don't have to shed blood for this. You don't have to kill other human beings for it. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, like, the life, the respect and wealth of other humans should be respectful to each other, and so today, do you see that, other humans are scared from others. Somebody will rob him, somebody will attack them. There is so many organizations, NATO, or so many pacts in the world that for protection from other countries. There's like billions of dollars are spent on weapons and on machinery and equipment to get protection from other humans, and this money is spent from both sides. If that money is spent, the poverty in this world will be alleviated. All the healthcare issues will be gone. All the basic needs of the humanity will be fulfilled. Right now, the gap between the rich and poor, have and have nots, is increasing. And that is causing hate in our world. And that is causing problems in our world. Some people have this much money that they don't know what to do with it. Like, they are pouring it on bad things. They are doing drugs. They're doing different parties. They're doing different kind of games to exploit other humans. And some people don't have even money to eat or to drink clean water or to seek healthcare. They don't have provisions for that. So there's a big gap, and the gap is increasing because of the devil, because we are not ready to do charity, but we are ready to fight with each other to get more and more resources. So we all need to think about it, that the fight was between humans and devil. It was never between humans and humans. But devil is so cunning, he shifted the fight, that people are fighting over piece of land, reserves, and different social and political gains just to get more and more. So we can all love each other. We can all live here happily without killing each other, without hurting each other. In that way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be happy, and we will achieve all our goals in this world, and we'll all be in paradise, inshallah, in the next world. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.